everyone, I'm Mommy Belle from House Caraan. So for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my Young Living Essential Premium Starter Kit. I've been a Young Living user since 2018. So una, parang naririnig-rinig ko lang din sa office namin since a lot of my office mate are using this product. So, sa kanila ko unang nalaman. Pero dahil nga mahal siya, hesitant akong bumili nung una. So, ayun, nakikiamoy-amoy lang muna ako. Nakikihingi dun sa mga blends nila. Until na-convince na rin ako to finally buy. That was 2018. Come 2019, nabuntis ako. Naubos na rin yung binili kong mga oils. So, hindi na ulit ako bumili. So, this 2020, yung friend ko, shout out to Jen. So, naging active siya sa Young Living and ayun, na-convince ulit ako na i-explore aside from using the product. So, meron din siyang business side which is, ayun nga, pinasok ko na rin siya. So, for now, let's unbox muna kung ano yung mga laman ng aming Premium Starter Kit. So, itong August ko na to, pinadala to, that was 3 weeks ago. So, ito yung box. Then, meron ditong manual ng diffuser. Ito yung resibo niya. Ayan. Let's open this box. So, wala na dito yung mga parang lalagyan niya kasi nga, as mentioned, na-open ko na siya. So, come 2018, meron na akong diffuser. Yun yung ginagamit ko sa background, yung dewdrop diffuser. For this PSK, ito yung diffuser na kasama niya. So, it's a feather oil diffuser. So, ito, bagay to sa mga room ng kids. Ang cute-cute niya, diba? So, ayan. It's also an ultrasonic diffuser na siguro I'll do a separate video paano to gamitin. Itong feather oil diffuser can function as humidifier, diffuser, atomizer, and also, meron dito mga sounds, if I'm not mistaken, 5 yun. So, maganda to sa mga room ng kids kasi meron siyang white noise for a breezy, calm, sleeping ni baby. So, ayan. Ito, na-enjoy talaga namin to na gamitin dito sa room namin since meron nga akong baby. So, ito yung charger niya. Then, ito yung mga oils na kasama niya. There are 5 oils na kasama. Lavender, peppermint, RC, lemon, and thieves. So, bali 5 siya, pero tig 15 ml kasi siya. So, from the usual PSK kasi 5 ml. So, ito kasi mas malalaking bottle yung kasama dun sa PSK for August. Ito mga oils na ito yung mga top pick favorites ko talaga. So, kaya binili ko na rin siya. Share ko lang yung mga yung mga oils na kasama dun sa August Premium Starter Kit. So, this one, unahin na natin si peppermint. So, as you can see, medyo madami-dami na siyang bawas kasi this is my favorite oil talaga. This oil originate from India. So, it is commonly used by long time ago. So, yung mga plant herbs na peppermint, ini-steam nila. And yung aroma nito is nakaka-uplift ng spirit. So ako, personally, ang ginagawa ko dito is, mostly ginagamit ko to pag nagtatrabaho ako. So dinidiffuse ko siya, yung diffuser malapit sa working station ko. And talagang nakaka-good mood. Tapos nakaka-energize siya. So, after few hours of sitting front of the computer, naglagay ko ng carrier oil. So, any carrier oil like sunflower oil, virgin coconut oil. So, just a few drops. So, kahit 1 to 2 drops lang. Then, like, i-massage mo dito sa neck and likod mo. So, sobrang siya. Relax. May time din na inaamoy-amoy ko lang siya. So, ito, favorite ko talaga to. May time din na pag inaantok ako, yung coffee ko, pinapatakan ko ng peppermint oil. So, nagawa ko na din nilalagayan ko yung pinapaligo ko for a refreshing feeling. So, kasi to parang amoy niya is parang menthol. So, yun, nakaka-happy lang. Ginagamit ko to for fatigue muscle. So, after work, a few hours of sitting in front of your computer, ito, nakaka-relax siya ng fatigue muscles. For your kids din, halimbawa, gumagawa kayo ng assignment, and yung anak mo medyo inaantok-antok na, so diffuse lang kayo nito. So, itong lavender is one of the popular oil ni Young Living. So, it's good as a beginner oil kasi marami talaga tong use. Can be blendable with all the other oils na kasama niya. So, ako talagang ginagamit ko to ito isa sa mga pinakamabilis na maubos na oil sa akin. Kasi very classic yung amoy nito. So, it is usually added sa ating mga perfume, skincare products, and can be used for our relaxing routine. So, ano nga ba yung mga use ni lavender? So, there are 3 ways kasi sa mga oil na to na nabanggit ko, there are 3 ways to use it. Diffusing, aroma diffusing. So, maglalagay ka lang ng few drops sa diffuser, then mag-diffuse ka sa room mo. Pwede din tong topical. So, when we say topical, you have your carrier oil. So, example ng carrier oil is virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed, sunflowers. Meron naman kasi mga formulas na ginagamit kami. Few drops of carrier oil and few drops of this essential oil. So, as in, ito kasi is very concentrated. Kaya siya meron sinasabing seed to seal. So, talagang pure yung no harmful chemicals na kasama dito sa bottle na to. So, paghaluin mo lang yun, then ipahid mo anywhere sa katawan mo. Then, pwede din tong i-intake. Especially dun sa mga bottle na merong vitality. So, pwede mo siyang ihalo sa pagluluto or pwede mo siyang gawing tsaa. So, for lavender, ang ginagawa ko dito, ako talaga, favorite ko tong i-diffuse together with the classic blend, yung LLPC. So, together with lemon, lavender, peppermint, and copaiba. So, ayan, very classic na pamparelax pag halimbawa hindi ka makatulog. Ito yung oil na ginagamit ko talaga. So, pwede mo rin tong ihalo sa mga ginagamit mong shampoo, moisturizer, for additional benefits. Kasi it's good for the skin also. So, kung gusto mo rin ng relaxing bath routine, so pwede kang maglagay nito 4 drops of this oil plus Epsom salt. Ayun, very relaxed na yung paliligo mo. Ginagamit ko din to, halimbawa gusto kong patulugin yung anak ko or ako, I'll put a carrier oil on my palm, then at least 2 drops of this, then ganyan ko, lagay ko sa talampakan ng anak ko or sa akin or dito sa ano niya. Pag gamit mo tong oil na to, parang spa yung feel sa room mo. Itong lemon na to is the classic lemon. So, it's very pure yung nasa bottle. Ito nga nakalagay dun sa guide na it's 100% pure with no fillers or additives. So, sinasabi dito na 3,000 lemons to produce a 1 kilo of oil. So, sa California, Italy yung pinagagalingan nito. Lemon has a fresh, zesty citrus scent that is refreshing, energizing, and uplifting. So, ito, it's very blendable din sa mga ibang oils na ginagamit. Aside from diffusing, which is it creates a zesty tropical feel sa room mo. It's good for the skin also. You can add this to your skincare routine. It will help na ma-reduce yung appearance of aging sa skin mo. During cleaning, to boost your cleaning regimen, you can add this oil, few drops of this sa water na ginagamit mo sa paglilinis. So, alam mo, naglilinis ka ng floor, ng windows, any part of your house. You can also use this to diffuse. You can also diffuse this at work or at school to create a bright aroma that help you focus on what you're doing. Lemon oil can serve also as an air purification. So, and also it can banish odor. Next oil is itong Thieves. This oil is very timely, especially now na pandemic, kasi it's antiviral and antiseptic. It helps protect our body from flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, colds, and other illness na pwede natin makuha, especially ngayon. Experiencing sinusitis, pneumonia, sore throat, gum disease, teething, cold sores. It's very effective talaga. Before, nag-hoard talaga ako ng Thieves and Thieves cleaner kasi just a few drops of this sa water na gagamitin natin panglinis, para siyang Sunrox na natural. Alam mo yung natatanggal talaga yung mga stain sa mga lababo, sa CR. So yun, gamit ko to. Just a quick background, this oil is used few years ago in England. Ginagamit nila to for anti-plaque. It also neutralizes and purifies the air. So ako, ginagamit ko to diffusing, biniblend ko din to pag halimbawa nasa labas ako at alam kong marami akong makakahalubilo. Meron na akong oil blends nito na hinahalo sa carrier oil. Tapos ginagawa ko siyang roll-on. Pag halimbawa sisipunin yung anak mo, na-feel mo na parang she's not feeling well. So naglalagay ako ng few drops of carrier oil, and this one nilalagay ko sa talampakan niya or dito sa part na to. Medyo maanghang to, by the way. For your kids, make sure na you have you're following the right measurement or right way of applying it. Very nice to na i-diffuse talaga sa bahay para ma-help na mawala yung mga viruses and ma-boost yung immune system natin. Also, halimbawa sa pag naglalaba kayo, pwedeng yung washing machine nyo maglagay ng few drops nito. It feels like parang ang linis-linis nung nilabhan mo after na mapatakan to. Pwede rin sa mga dishwashing soap nyo, pwede nyo ihalo to. And yun nga, sa paglilinis. So, the last oil that I have is yung RC. So, ito, ang pagkakaalala ko dito sa oil na to, it's good for respiratory system. So, kung may mga hika, may mga ubo, so ito yung go-to oil na gagamitin ko dapat. So, I'll just read a few guides dun sa oil app na meron ako. It's effective against allergies, colds, bronchitis, respiratory congestion, flu, cold sores, pneumonia, sinusitis, sore throat, mucus and bone spurs. So, ang scent nito is refreshing, crisp, lemony aroma. It support feeling of normal, clear breathing. Ihalo mo siya sa carrier oil, then just a few drops of this, ilagay mo dun siya sa area na kailangan, like kung inuubo ka dito sa dibdib, pwede din sa talampakan, pwede din dito sa likod ng tenga. Pero pag baby, syempre, make sure na you're following right measurement and application kasi these are pure essential oil. So, during yoga, during exercise, you can also diffuse this. You can also use this during cold weather. So, it will provide a refreshing respiratory experience sa chest, especially kung meron kang ubo or nahihirapan kang huminga. So, during massage, pwede mo tong ihalo dun sa like virgin coconut oil, pwede mo tong ihalo and ito yung gamitin na pang massage sa'yo. You can also put sinuses and nasal passages. Put oil on Q-tip and rub inside of nasal passages. You can also rub around ears, feet, neck, and throat. Apply to Vitaplex points on body. So, add a few drops to a hot bath or shower. The warm water will come and soothe you, and the oil will diffuse with the steam for an invigorating and empowering experience. For diffusing, RC is very beneficial when diffused to decongest and relieve allergy type symptoms such as coughs, sore throat, and lung congestion. That's it for the 5 oils that I have for my August Premium Starter Kit. This cost me around 7,856, pero plus yung shipping fee and VAT. So, nasa 9,000 din siya. So, I think ang ano dito is very pricey. So, price naman is subjective, 'di ba? So, kung mahal, subjective. Pero, if you can maximize yung use ng oils mo, then I think it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. Nung una, ganun din yung thinking ko, ang mahal-mahal naman yan. Parang ang dami nang mapupuntahan ng 8,000 to 9,000 ko. Pero, for me, it's worth it kasi we're buying products naman talaga. Like, bumibili tayo ng soap, bumibili tayo ng toner, moisturizer, parang ginagamit natin sa daily lives natin. Pero, once you know how to use these essential oils, pwede ka mag-DIY, like, you can create your own toner, body wash, shampoo, and all using essential oils and additional products na pwede mong i-add. So, kung isasoma total mo, mas makakatipid ka, and plus yung health benefits na maidudulot nito kasi it's purely natural and it will not harm your body. So, especially ngayon na pandemic, we should be cautious and really provide emphasis on our health. Kasi health is wealth. Ayun nga. So, I think that's it for my video today. So, sa mga mommies na interested, hesitant pa na mag-try this, so I understand yung feeling kasi mahal nga naman talaga siya. Keep on searching. Marami namang mga guides sa online na pwede nyong makita. If you're interested, just message me, direct message me sa aking mga social media account. Comment on the comment section itong YouTube video na to. So I think that's it, and I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Bye! Salamat!